In this, we are discussing about the concept of collection as set. Let us understand what is set. It is a collection of items. Basically, they are not stored in an order. Supports a mathematical definition of set as we'll use all set implementation in mathematics. Sets are not permitted to go with duplicate values. And while reading the elements of the set, it is not based on the index. We can read by its reference location. So, how do we create? It is created away by using set method. We can even store set of elements in a curly brackets. We can define the set with the following methods: remove, supports for removing the element from the set; add, supports for adding the element over the set; copy, supports to copy the elements in the set into another alternative set; clear, removes all the elements; difference, provides a difference between the two sets that returns; and pop, returns the arbitrary element of the set. Let us go with an example of it. Now here in this program, we define a set with the collection of values under the curly brackets. We display the elements by using the for loop, adding elements in the set where we can add it. Again, we'll display back how many elements are there in the set after adding. Then updating the elements from the set. We will update it. Then again, where we can see back the information of the set after update, removing the element. The element that is updated can be removed from the location by using the method as an remove. Let us find the usage of it with respect to our program. Now, first of all, the base values of the set where we are finding as an grapes and apple. After adding, banana is the third element. Soon we update it. Grapes, guava, apple, chiku, 1, 2, 3, banana are the elements where we have given as a latest update on it. Then, when we have to go with the deleting the element, I remove 1, 2, 3. The latest set gives grapes, guava, apple, chiku and banana. This is how elements from the set. Now, let us go with one more the concept of it. How do we define the set? By using the set as a method. Here in this, if you use set as a method, the case what we have used in the previous program will be the similar part where we can apply. Intentionally here I have given apple twice to see whether set allows duplicates or not. Now over this, when we find the execution part of it, where you can find grapes, orange, apple. So orange is an added element, grapes, apple and duplicate apple is not available. Now I want to pop deleting the element. Arbitrarily it is deleted the element of grapes which is over the top of it. We display the element again. Copy, making duplicate of the set. We made the duplicate of the set by using copy method. My set has the copy of my set what we are having as in this set. Clear, clear helps me to remove all the elements. So line number 9 shows for the clear, as we finding the third line of output shows set as blank. Print this set when we go with it. Delete, permanently I am removing all the elements, and then print my set. My set has the copied values from the previous set. This is where we can see about the basic set information. Apart from that, the commented one what I have given as a frozen set. When I take the set as a frozen set, and Here I'll comment the basic part of the set what I have given over here. Say this dot set equal to frozen set, and I'll comment the basic set what I'm having in this. Let us check one more the approach of it. When you take the set as a frozen set, it is read-only set. It will not permit you to add the element, so add operation is rejected. So frozen set is read-only set where you are not permitted to do any additional operations like updating or adding kind of things. Hope this is clear. So we'll recall the old set and we'll continue this as it is. Now let us find some more the features on the set where we can understand it. Adding, removing, copying, clear, where we found all the further functionalities of it. Set operations as per the mathematical order. Union, intersect, minus or difference are the type of additional qualification of the methods we will use. Considering days A has some group of values, days B has some other set of values. When we go with all days, days A pipe days B goes with the union, joining of two sets together and merging onto the third set. Or the same thing we can use with the operation as union, and we can display it all. Intersection. Common elements between the first and second will be called. So here set A, set B is having common element. When you do intersection or by using intersect method, I will get the common element as only Wednesday. This is for the intersection. Difference or minus. Set A and set B when we take it. And now according to the order of difference, where you are using A minus B or B minus A. If I take A minus B, the elements that are existing only with A but not with B are displayed. Similar the case of reverse order as well. As we discussed frozen set is almost like the type of read-only type of the set, as we call it as an immutable behavior. Hope the concept is clear.